everyone. As a part of our integrated project of geography, I am here before you to present a puppet show on the topic industrial regions and the factors affecting industrial location. It was quite challenging for me to make the sounds of different persons. I do take this challenge. So, hope you guys enjoy my characters and this puppet show. The characters of this play are teacher Rahul, Rupa, Manki, and the truck. The storyline of this show is a part of an industrial visit by the three students and their teacher. So let's enjoy the play. Dear students, now we have almost reached our destination. So, do you see the wide structure of industry and hear the harsh noise? Yes, teacher, this is a very big industry, really big. Yes, Manki, this is an industrial region with many industries close together. Come on, students. Now let's go inside the factory and explore more.
Oh, teacher, I saw a truck going there.
Rahul, it's the transportation facilities of the industries. But why the air is not so refreshing?
Rupa, all industrial areas are like that.
You are correct, Rahul. This area have a coal field nearby. This creates pollution too. Teacher, I can hear the sound of a river. Yes, it's a river. This provides the water facilities for the industry. Oh, we have studied it in the factors of industrial location, and these factors also include raw material, power, land, labor, capital and market.
Yes, I am also remembering. It was in the lesson Industries of Geography.
I am very proud of you, my dear children. You are very bright students. You are remembering everything that I taught you.
Thank you for giving such precious information.